Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I feel like I haven't daily vlogged in ages and some of you have been asking for more daily vlogs. I'm gonna get into that as soon as I finish uni, but I thought I'd vlog today because I'm going apparently to some cool house in Coogee, which is near the water here in Sydney, and I'm gonna be shooting content for A brand, which is a cool denim brand. I'm pretty sure they sell mostly denim, and I'm gonna be shooting some content for TikTok and other stuff for A brand. But yeah, they told me to come with a kind of no makeup look, so I put a bit of foundation, eyebrows, blush, mascara and some lip balm, just like a really light makeup so that they can take it off and change my makeup for the next look. I've got this cute tracksuit set from Glassons on. They also told me to come in like trackies, and I also brought a full suitcase of clothes, of pajamas, and also heaps of tops to wear with their bottoms, I'm guessing. I also washed my hair yesterday so that it was nice for today, and it held really well during the night, which is good. I always get scared for like shoots that I take my sleeping cap off and my hair is just all flat and not curly, but they held well today. But yeah, I'm gonna have to leave soon. I hate driving to the city and to places that I've never been before because I always get lost. But wish me luck and I will vlog when I get there. My vlog, guys.
Hi.
Hi. I forgot to vlog today, guys, but that's a wrap. Yay. What are you laughing at?
We're doing these panoramas where you like move a tiny bit.
Handsome.
Have you ever done that before?
Yeah.
Move it?
It's so good.
Because I did one before and it, like half my hair was floating in the...
I look so tired. Alright, so I'm back home. It's around 5:40 and I have uni work to do that's due at midnight, which I need to get started on. Oops, sorry, I'm so tired. I always feel so exhausted after shoots. I know it's like not hard work, but they're really tiring for some reason. But yeah, it was cool to just go to a place just to make a TikTok and getting paid to just make a TikTok. That's crazy, and it was so fun. The team was so lovely and I just have to edit the TikTok and put it together and send it off to the client, which is A brand. I'm also sitting in my new office, which I said I would post a video about back in August. I think I started filming it in August, the actual makeover, but then it just took a while to finish, so I'll get the final shots of it. I'll have to clean it up, it's all messy, and then I'll post the makeover video on that, similar to my bedroom makeover video, which is on my channel. I loved the makeup artist and hairstylist. She actually knew how to work with curls and style curls because she had curls herself, which is just always a plus. I kind of get nervous whenever I'm getting my hair done at a shoot because some people just don't know how to work with curls and how they act. And yeah, I've been to professional high budget shoots and I've done my own hair. Like, I'm sitting there in the chair doing my own hair. The hairstylist is like, so how do you do your curls? It's actually a big issue because in Australia hairstylists aren't required to learn how to style curly hair. In the course that you do to become a hairdresser, it's only taught on straight hair. So yeah, I've talked to an actual hairstylist about it and she's like started a petition that hairstylists and hairdressers have to learn how to cut curly hair, style curly hair, because what are people supposed to do with naturally curly hair? They have no salons dedicated to their hair type. People don't know how to make them look good and style them properly. Anyway, it was such a good day. I'm so happy, but I do think I have a UTI. If you're a girl, you know what that is, and I don't have to explain, but it's normally I get really upset when I'm sick, and I also get UTIs a lot, but I can't even be unhappy about it because I'm so happy. I've had like the best past few weeks. Just being on shoots and being on set is what I love doing. I love being in that creative atmosphere. It's so fun, and I don't know, it's very inspiring and motivating to keep working hard. Fiona's sleeping in her little hammock. This is the best. Whenever I'm sitting doing work here in my office, she always comes and jumps up on the hammock. So cute. Oh, I don't know if I got vlog footage of the cat that was at the shoot, but it was the cutest cat ever. Anyway, I better get on to uni work. I'll see you when I see you. I'll probably vlog me doing content on the weekend because I have some content work to do. So this will be like a kind of influencer themed vlog. Bye!
Much later.
Whose birthday is it? Tomorrow!
Tomorrow's mine.
Hey guys, so the last time I vlogged for this vlog, it was like 2 weeks ago or something, but I think I'm just gonna collate them into one weekly vlog. Yeah, we're just at Fabian's house, playing some soccer. But I've been planning a surprise for Fabian's birthday for a while, so I'm very excited. We're gonna get going soon and I'll take you along with us
Wow.
to see what we get up to.
What are we doing? I have no clue.
I love how hasn't even asked any questions. I'm just like, yeah, we're leaving at 12, and he's like, okay. Like, he has no clue what we're doing. Whereas if it was me, I'd be like, what do I wear? Where are we going? What's the weather like? Is it inside, outside?
Turning 17 tomorrow, and I can't wait because that's 1 year closer to 18.
You wish. He's turning 23, he's getting old. And we're having a party tomorrow out here. Hopefully it's nice weather.
23!
Okay, bye.
I cannot believe it.
Very nice.
And come over here. Oh, they got Jaden Smith's water.
Just water.
Just water.
Fancy.
You just water, mate.
They've got an iPad.
Damn, you went all out. You didn't have to do this. Your birthday cake.
The views.
Oh, wow.
Oh, and the bathroom. It's so big. It's never ending. Where's the lights? Oh, there.
Oh, that's better.
So this is the bathroom. We've got a little makeup vanity, toilet, bath, and shower. It's got a full mirror too.
Mwah. I am very, very lucky.
This is my finished makeup look and we're about to go. We're a bit late, but I just want to show you this pretty view. Sydney's so pretty, wow. Outfit of the day, the dress is from Misguided and I got a new bag and shoes. This is Fabian's outfit. I bought him the top and the pants. I think they're both from Cotton On.
There you
And
go.
some nice boots. Let's go! Good morning, good morning.
Good morning. I'm looking at breakfast.
We're gonna order some room service breakfast. Fabian opened his present.
Look at what
Show
I
the
got.
card. Oh, it's over there. Drew this card. Fiona, me, Fabian, and Walter. And then I got him these shorts and this cool t-shirt.
A t-shirt, and then I got a singlet. That's a singlet.
Thrills Co. singlet.
And then another. bless your hole. And that's a
A jumper.
jumper.
Very cool.
Very happy with your choices. Wow. There's your juice.
Yum yum. I can share it.
And they gave us some waters and some jams and butters and stuff.
3 hours later.
It's not like France. Once again, the vlog. Just fit the YouTube channel. No relation.